An unexpected boiler system failure led to widespread disruptions here at St. Joseph's Hospital, but finally, hours later, a sigh of relief. Unity Health Toronto issuing a statement. It reads in part, "We are happy to share that heat and hot water are now back on at St. Joseph's Health Centre. We expect our boiler system will be fully back to normal operations by the end of the weekend, and we continue to actively monitor the temperatures and the safety and well-being of our patients, who are our top priority." But it was quite the different story earlier today. Let's have a listen. It was around 7:30 Friday morning when Toronto's St. Joseph's Hospital alerted the public about a boiler system failure that left the facility without heat, hot water, and steam, prompting what the healthcare center called an emergency code situation. While the exact time of the system failure remains unclear, Wendy told us she noticed something was off late Thursday night while her daughter was undergoing emergency surgery.
I think it was a bit cold last night, but we didn't know what was going on. So I'm gonna find out today, and surprisingly I get the answer.
Are you speaking to your daughter? What is she telling you?
Well, she didn't say exactly, but I think they were saying it was a bit cold.
Other patients we spoke to told us, despite the system failure, they were being well taken care of.
It's nice inside. It's not too cold. They've closed off every area so to make sure the air is okay inside.
For whatever treatments that you came for, you were able to get it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
And you didn't feel cold?
No complaints.
As a result, Unity Health Toronto announced earlier Friday the hospital would not be providing full services, including in the emergency department, and urged patients not to visit the ER unless facing a life-threatening emergency. Those with non-urgent needs have been advised to seek care at another hospital or contact their healthcare provider. All non-essential appointments scheduled for Friday were canceled as well, and patients affected are being contacted directly by their care teams. Once again, hours later, Unity Health Toronto says that heat and hot water have returned back at St. Joseph's Hospital, but the boiler system will not be fully operational until the end of the weekend. They're still working on that. I will say that chemotherapy and dialysis appointments are going on as usual, but the hospital is requesting the public that if it's not an absolute emergency, avoid the emergency department if you can. At St. Joseph's Hospital, Jazan Grewal, City News.